Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to actually show you how to run your Unity project or your Vuforia and Unity project from within Unity itself. That way you don't have to create an APK and load it onto an Android device. You can do that. It's easily done through the web camera. So make sure you have your web camera hooked up to your machine. And the other caveat is that in order to do that, you'll need the 32-bit version of Unity, and that has been installed on your target machine. If you try and use a 64-bit version, it won't work. The feature's not supported in that version as of yet. So let's go ahead and start the 32-bit version and create a new project. When it comes up, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and import our packages, our Vuforia package. And remember, that is downloaded from the developer portal on Vuforia. You can see that in one of the other tutorials. And when that's done importing, we'll go ahead and import our target image that we created. And then the next thing we need to do is go ahead and get rid of this camera and load up the AR camera from, it's under the Vuforia prefabs, the AR camera for Vuforia. So just go ahead and drag that in there. And then drag our image target in here. And in the image target, while that is selected, under data set, we'll go ahead and select the image target that we loaded up or imported. And then we'll need to scale that back. So let's make that 5. And then, before we forget, go over to your AR camera and paste in your license key, or copy and paste into your license key. I have mine in my clipboard. And then also down under the database load behavior script, click the load dataset, and that should say your image target name there. And then also make sure you have the activate clicked. Now, just to show you something is, if you look over here in the upper left hand corner and you click on the hand, those tools will help you move things around. That was one of the things I was having problems with before, but these will help you move things around. So let me go back to the pointer. And then what we need to do is create an object to show. So we'll create a sphere. We'll make sure that sphere is a child of your target image. And then we need to bring it down, maybe not quite so much. Somewhere in there. And then what you can also do is, if you look down here under like textures, you might have some, these are the preloaded textures. We're going to go and apply a texture to our sphere. Now with all that done, we should just be able to run this through our Unity interface. And all you have to do is click the play button up here. And there we go. I'm using the web camera that's attached to my machine, and our sphere shows up on our target image. So that's how you would test your project out via the Unity interface.